Hi all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afroz. I'm a professional makeup artist based out of Bangalore. I'm so excited to introduce to one of my babies. He's Yuno. Yuno, say hi. Yuno's 3 years old now. He's just turning out to be 4. We adopted him when he was 1 year old. He was a baby when we saw him for the first time. Baby who's 30 days old, abandoned by his mother. He was living at my apartment gate. Saw him for the first time and fell in love with him, and then we got him home. He and his brother Astor, we have 2 of them at home. Both are big brats. So anytime you hear any noises while watching my videos, you should know it's either Yuno or Astor. They are big brats, big rascals. Take all my time throughout the day. But yeah, it's fun. I cannot imagine life without them. I'm very grateful to have these 2. I wish he could say a hi. You wanna say hi? He usually likes to roll over on the lap every time we take him on the lap. That's what he's trying to do now as well, right? Anyways, today's video is gonna be about simple everyday makeup look you can do. Keep watching the video to know how this look is created. Starting off with my sunscreen, I actually might need to step out of this shoot. It has been raining in Bangalore, but I don't want to skip my sunscreen. No matter if it's raining or it's cloudy or it's sunny, I always go with my sunscreen. Taken 2 generous full finger of sunscreen. I'm using the one from Bior. I love the sunscreen under my makeup because it has a very sheen effect. It gives a glowy, nice effect on the skin, and it comes out really well when you apply makeup also. So this is one of the favorite sunscreens of mine under makeup. You might see a white cast immediately when you apply the sunscreen, but it gets absorbed and settled down really well on the skin. Do you see now how nicely this has got settled on my skin, and there's no white cast anymore, but it has a very sheen, satin kind of effect on the skin. Using my concealer from Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer. Blending this out with a beauty blender. Since I'm just stepping out for an errand, I don't want a perfect makeup, like picture perfect makeup, with brightened under eyes. It's been quite some time that I have been thinking I want to color my hair, but I'm seriously not getting the guts to do it. I'm very particular when it comes to hair. I hardly try anything new. Only since the time I've started recording these videos, I have started, straightening them. Otherwise, I even avoid any kind of heat in my hair. So coloring is a big decision that I need to make. I need to really gather that guts and go for coloring. I'm scared that, this might damage my hair, and the color I'm wanting is little blondish kind of color. So I'm not sure what is the process to get that done, but I'm little scared and skeptical. I have this appointment now for which I'm stepping out. I will be taking some more concealer here on the forehead. These marks have been actually bothering me quite a bit for some time now. It actually takes months for these marks to disappear. I envy those people who have, that flawless, natural, glowing skin without any marks. I always target to have that kind of skin, and sadly I do get this acne even now. Though I'm nearing 40s. These adult acnes do not stop at all. Now using my MAC Studio Fix foundation powder. Immediately after applying this product, you might feel your skin might turn little matte, but after a while this do have a very nice finish, and your skin gives that glow which comes out through the makeup. What I'm trying to say is, your face will not look powdery. It will give you a very nice glowing skin and even looking skin with this MAC foundation powder. Using this blush from K-Beauty, this is in the shade Coral Charm. I'm taking the same blush brush on my eyelid also to get a little bit of color on my eyes. I'm using the bronzer from Revolution. If you want a budget-friendly bronzer and if you don't want to spend too much, you can invest on this. The only thing that you need to be careful while using this product is a very high pigmented product. So always make sure you take that excess off from the brush on the back of your hand before taking it on your cheeks. Little bit of bronzer on the forehead. Taking bronzer on the small eyeshadow blending brush, I'm gonna run this over back and forth on my crease to get that natural shadow. Filling my brows using inside eyebrow pencil. Using Benefit mascara. I like the way this mascara spoolie helps in separating out all the lash hair. It's nice and defined. This has been one of my oldest favorite mascaras, but I don't know, I keep stopping to use this, and when I go back and I keep wondering why did I even stop using it. Lately, I've been enjoying the mascara from Huda Beauty One Coat Wow. Let me know if you've been using something that is a new launch from last year 2024 and you've been enjoying and the performance of the product has been really great on you. Lip liners from ELF. I don't see the shade here, but I'll make sure to link it in the description box for your reference. Using a lip crayon from Laura Mercier. Last but not the least, I want to use this illuminator from Say. Everybody likes a bit of glow nowadays, right? So let's use this. I'm taking this product on the beauty blender, the other side of my beauty blender where I did not use the concealer earlier. Slowly dabbing this over my cheekbone, highest point of my cheeks. I hope you're able to see the glow here, how pretty this is looking. Taking the same illuminator on top of my eyelid like this. This is gonna give me a nice wet kind of finish here. So this is it guys, this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. He's been troubling me, not letting me shoot, so I have him on my lap now. So this is a very simple, easy makeup that you can do on everyday basis to even run an errand like I am doing one. Try it on and let me know. Don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button before you log off and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. And do share this video with your friends and family. Until my next one, bye from me and Asta. Asta, bye. Bye. Bye.